Get ready for real talk about the events unfolding in this nation and world and how they impact our personal and eternal lives and eternal destiny from a non-PC standpoint. Welcome to Ministry, a YouTube channel that addresses end times events from a unique perspective. Our ministry videos provide an honest look at current events and how they affect us all. As it pertains to prophetic prophecies based in God's Word, ministry video topics such as Brittany Griner and the Biden administrations, the unholy trade, President Obama, the race car that was a Trojan horse, the agenda to effeminize men in this nation, and other controversial topics. No God, no politics without God. The real menace to society, rise of the abusers. When did you become her daddy? Keep your hands to yourself. Subscribe and join the conversation.